Debbie. I hope that everyone is doing well. Thanks so much for coming onto my channel. Today I have a finish from Craftibly that I wanted to share with you. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a partial, which means that you do not diamond paint the entire canvas. You only diamond paint what you see here, all of these specials. And then over on this side here, and then also over on this side, that is something that you do not do. It is just there. And the special drills really makes it pop. You can't even really see how well that this has come together on video, but I am very pleased with it. Did not take very long. I wanted something that I could do in between my large canvas that I've been working on. I did not unbox this on my channel because I had it before I actually had my channel, and I did not kit this up because I didn't even kit up this kit. And there was only 10 colors here. They were in baggies. Normally I do not diamond paint using baggies, but this was so small that it worked out perfect. It only took me about 8 hours to finish this, and I even stopped a couple of times. So I'm definitely pleased with it. Something that I needed to take my mind off of working on the other one. This is called Fox, and it is, I don't remember what size this is. Let's see, it's over here. It is a 16 by 20. A 16 by 20, so small. And I didn't have any problems with it. I did not have any trash drills whatsoever. I mean, there was none. I had quite a few of the special rhinestones left over, and I had plenty to finish for all colors. I really enjoyed this. I love how it turned out, but the one downside that I do not like is that I'm not really crazy about this background. I think it could have been something else, maybe a little more jungly, but just the purple, it just doesn't do much for me. But I will put this in my portfolio, so it's not something that I was planning on putting on the wall anyway. And this one is inexpensive. I think I paid around $14 for it. As far as I know, it is still on their website, and I'll put the link below if you are interested. But if you can just see how pretty and how shiny that this is, it just really reflects. I had it outside yesterday, and the sun was just beaming off of it. And you can see this side too. You can see the mouth. You can see some of the special drills here. That was a lot of fun. And then the red and the gold and the blue just absolutely pops. So I hope that you enjoyed this short video. It is short because there's not anything to show you on the drill quality because it was all very good. I will keep all of these drills and put them in my storage in case I decide to do something else with it. But otherwise, it was just perfect. And if you need something or you want something that is really small, this would definitely be it. And Craftibly is an excellent company. I am not affiliated anyway with Craftibly, but I have several of their canvases. I have done several of theirs, and I can vouch for their quality. I've actually ordered a couple more that are larger than this. But I haven't really done anything with special drills. I mean, I have with some of the discount companies, but this was just absolutely amazing. And also, I haven't done that many partials. I think I've only done one other partial besides this one. So partials are fun. And again, it's not something that I would normally do or consider, but I saw this fox. I knew I just had to have it. And I think the other one that they had at one point was a peacock. So if they still have that, I will definitely order it just for something quick and easy and something that's fun. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more so you can see what this one looks like. I may zoom too much. This can be really sensitive on when I'm zooming in. That maybe look too much, but you can see all of the colors, all of the drills, the rhinestones, the crystals, and I just love this. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I am getting close to 100, so I'm really excited about that. And also, if you would like this video, that would be really appreciated. That gets the algorithm going with YouTube, and it will show my videos more. And be on the lookout for another video this week. I am going to have another kitting up, and then also my weekly whip and chats will be on Saturday. If there's anything particular that you would like me to do on a whip and chat, please let me know in the comments, or you can email me. My email is also underneath the description, and I would love to do something that my subscribers would like to see. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a blessed day.